Hi everybody and welcome back. As you can see, it's snowing quite heavily here today. We've had a couple of inches of snow over the last hour, and obviously the ground feeding birds, you know, the robins, the blackbirds, that sort of stuff, even the blue tits have been down to this, and the dunnocks and all that sort of, all ground feeding type birds, obviously some others as well. Because the snow's on the ground, they can't get to the ground to get any food, so I've cleared a little patch there and I've put a couple of milk crates on their side with a piece of wood on top and put some fresh food underneath, so the birds have access to food without having to bury through the snow. And it seems to be working quite well. And there's just a couple of robins in the picture there, but I can see another robin up there on the tree. We've got blue tits, we've got great tits in the garden at the moment because we've got nuts out and fat balls, and well, that's what it's for. Without that little clearing, they've got no food at all. Anyway, thanks for watching. All the best.